Hi friends, welcome to learning English vocabulary lesson 5. As you know, we are learning English words with multiple meanings and pronunciations. These words or vocabulary is very useful for O-level, A-level students, school going and college going students. In this lesson, we are starting words with letter A. There are so many words starting with letter A, that's why our first word is accession, mean reaching power or elevation, addition, occur. Accessory mean an additional helpful thing or attachment, मुतल्लिका चीज़. Acclaim mean loud shouts of joy, खुश आमदीद. Acclimatize mean get used, adjust, आदि होना. Accommodate mean put up, fit in with, जगह बनाना. Accompany mean go with, occur with, हमरा होना. The next one is accord, mean agreement, give or grant, खुशगवार ताल्लुकात. Accredit mean send out a statement, सफीर भेजना. Accretion mean increase in size or growth or extension, इजाफा. Accrue mean come as a natural result, मुनाफा. Arbiter mean person with full power to decide, by इख्तियार. Aroma mean fragrance or smell, खुशबू. Arrears mean overdue payment, बकाया payment और बकाया काम. Asperity mean sharpness, roughness, खुरदरापन. Aspirant mean eager desire, ambitions, आरज़ूमंद. Assiduity mean hardworking, constant attention to someone, मेहनती. Accumulate mean grow into mass, बढ़ाना. Astute mean quick or fast or sharp, दानाई. I hope you learned these words very easily. Thank you for learning with us. We are coming soon again with lesson number 6. That's why please like the video, subscribe the channel by clicking the bell icon button for more videos. Stay with us. Good luck, take care, and goodbye.